Yep, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and you can tell I'm doing a ride along. This time I'm doing a ride along with this here Spice Bomb Extreme. It's not a new fragrance, it's one of the old favorites, it's a classic, but I know it lasts long, but I haven't tested it to actually see how long it lasts. So we're gonna do a ride along and see how it lasts right now, and get a couple of sprays there on the shirt. I'm sure it probably will last longer on my shirt than on my actual skin because that's how it normally does. And then there. And right now, oh shoot, my watch is not set. Let's see. Right now, oh my goodness, it's cold. It is 12 degrees and it is 9:36. It's supposed to be really cold today. We actually supposed to be getting some snow later on tonight, early tomorrow morning. So let's see. All right, roll with me. Let's check it out.
Does place first-year students in a class of about 13 people, and that class is the same group of people. You're going to keep class with your first semester year, and then in the spring as well.
All right. So I'm back to do a check-in. It is late. I've been running around a little bit this morning, as you can see from the video clips. I probably will put something in, but right now it is 2:30 and it hasn't gotten that much warmer. It is 20 degrees outside, and I've been outside most of the time, but I had my coat on, so the fragrance wasn't projecting, obviously, because I had my coat on. I had a heavy coat on, and the heat, it was closed in, so I wasn't going to get any projection or anything like that. But when I took my coat off, fragrance still here, especially on my shirt. It's a little thin on my wrist right now. Now it's gotten to just like a almost like a woody, spicy kind of vibe to it, with a little bit of sweetness to it, but we'll run through that a little bit later. I'm still going to keep this on and see how long it goes. It's, like I said, it's 2:30 now, so I'm gonna run it for a couple more hours and see if it actually fades off my shirt, which I doubt it's going to. And I'm catching little hints of it around my neck area where I sprayed, so we'll see how it goes. All right, keep rolling with me. Whoo-wee! I knew this fragrance was a good performer, but I did not realize how good it was. So I'm just sitting in the house, just chilling right now. I'm not moving around. I'm not in and out in the house, out in the cold or anything. I'm in a regular environment, controlled temperature environment. And man, I'm getting a scent bubble around me. It's not a huge scent bubble. It's like maybe about about a foot away from my chest. And I'm getting this nice little scent bubble. Every time I move around, I'm catching whiffs of it. And it's that sweet, spicy kind of vibe to it. I'm digging this fragrance. I don't know why I haven't been wearing it as much as I have been. I haven't been wearing it that much, but I need to get back into it. Right now, it is 4:56, and the temperature is still the same. No, actually, it's gotten a little bit cooler. It's 19 degrees now. As you can see, it's 19 degrees now. But like I said, I'm not outside, so it doesn't make a difference about the temperature right now. And yeah, I'm getting a really nice little scent bubble around. It's just floating. I'm gonna go ahead and let it rock out for a little while longer, but I think I put it on like around 9:15 or 9:30, somewhere around there, and it's 4:56, so that's a full day already. So But I'm gonna let it rock for a little while longer, just to see how long it's gonna last. Keep rolling with me. Hey, okay, so I am back in, and let's go ahead and wrap this up. This fragrance, it goes. It's finally starting to die down a little bit. The scent bubble, it doesn't feel like it's as prominent. It doesn't feel like it's as wide around me right now. I still smell it easily on my clothes, on my skin. In my skin slightly. It almost smells like on my skin it smells different than it smells on my clothes, obviously, because it didn't go through the whole, mid the opening, mid, and dry down. But on my skin it smells more like a kind of like a spicy vanilla. That's what it kind of smells like almost like a grown up, like something else that I have that what's that? I just had a spicy vanilla, but I can't remember what it is. But that's what it kind of smells like. And on my clothes, it still has that spiciness. It still has that, that spice, like a cinnamon or a cedar wood kind of vibe to it. So let's go ahead and jump into the note. Oh, I didn't tell you what time it is. Right now, it is 7:38, and the temperature is still dropping. It's 17 degrees now, but I'm inside, so the temperature doesn't really matter as far as the performance of the fragrance. So right now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the notes for Spicebomb Extreme. The name gonna come in? Why is it not coming? There we go. So the notes are just all together. It's not really they don't have them listed as like the open, the middle, and the base notes. So we have vanilla tobacco. I said tonka bean. I was thinking tonka bean. It's vanilla, tobacco, cinnamon, cumin, bourbon whiskey, and saffron. Maybe that's more what I'm smelling, like a vanilla and saffron. That's kind of what I'm getting. But it is something else there too that's on my skin. It's like a vanilla. It still smells good regardless. But anyway, so it's been almost 12 hours. No, it's been more than 12 hours. Has it been more than 12? Almost 12 hours, because I think I put it on like around 9:30 or something like that. So yeah, it's a great fragrance. If you haven't smelt it, please get your hands on a sample of it, because the opening and the smell of the fragrance, it just smells so good. It smells like Spicebomb, just a little bit grown up. And Spicebomb smells like a cinnamony, spicy, kind of a sweet kind of vibe to it, where it smells like it just has a different DNA than anything else that's on the market. Most things that's on the market. So I think it's like maybe 3 or 4 fragrances that have the similar DNA, like let me see, what's one? Man in Black by Bagarvi, obviously Spicebomb, and then Cremo has one that smells similar to Spicebomb Extreme too, but there's not a whole lot of other fragrances. You know how like if you pick up one blue fragrance, there's thousands of blue fragrances that probably smell similar to that same blue fragrance. Or if you pick up like one like a oud fragrance, a lot of oud fragrances have very close similar notes and they smell similar to each other. That rose oud combination is probably in thousands of fragrances. So it's not like that. It stands out a little bit different than your average fragrance that you may run across. It's not like a fragrance that you're going to fragrance DNA that you're going to continue to run across constantly. So yeah, it's a good one to have in your collection if you haven't smelled it yet. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me doing a ride along with Spicebomb Extreme. They say it's sexy. I think it is. All right, until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.